Hey there, I wanted to show you quickly here how we make a background overlay for um, an image. For example, we got this background image here, and I have the background overlay active. If I turn it off, it looks like that. So just wanted to show you here, I'm using HubSpot, but in the HTML here, all I've done is add a little background overlay element down there, so it's just an empty div, and it's inside of a parent element, which is going to be has some position that's not static. So this one actually is fixed by the way of the design of this page. But if you don't want to have it fixed, then you can do position relative, and it's not going to make any changes as long as you don't change the top or the left properties or whatever. So then at the bottom here, we want to put it at the bottom so it doesn't overlap the text, or at least that will help us to prevent that. Actually, I think, no, it's supposed to go on top. It's supposed to go on top, I think. The one that's on bottom is the one that's shown last. So then we might not need that Z index property if we do it like that. Yeah, so, no, I was wrong about that. But anyway, so, we'll put it somewhere for now, top or bottom. I'll just put it back on the bottom since that's where it started. But let me add this back too. So all I got is this these what is it, 6 properties on this ID for that background overlay. So 100% width, height, absolute positioning, so that it doesn't go in line with the blocks. Give it some opacity, and then choose what color you want, and then the Z index makes it so it doesn't overlap the text. And then that's basically it. And maybe I don't know if this will be helpful, but I'll bring this Chrome DevTools panel up, which is also cool, by the way, is that you can move the Chrome DevTools into its own panel. But yeah, here we can see. Over here, actually, you can see the background overlay section, and we can bring up the styles down here. We'll see those ones we just added. And is it not going to let me? Yes, there's 2 things that the Z index is affected by, both the position of the element in the DOM and also by that Z index property that we have in the CSS. So I don't know which one it is here, but anyway, it was working before I messed with it. So I'm using other Z indexes here, so that might be why. But basically, that's how you do a background overlay for an element.